everybody, today we will build a real railway with a station and locomotive and some different cars and some trees. So we start with building the rails. We start with the beginning. So we take this rail and set it together. And now we take this rail, set it together. Now this, just this, together, just this. And now we take this one over here. This one over here. Now we take this. And now we take this one over here. We take this one a little bit here. And then we take this one here. We take this one over here. Then we take this one. And then we're almost here. Then we take this, and this. Now we just take this one, then this one, and then we take this too. Now we take this one over here. Then we take this one. Now we are ready. Now when the rail track is ready, then we need find the best place to the station. Can you guess where? Here it must be. So now, to make the train rail nicer, then we take some trees. Finally, we can build the train. So we start with the locomotive. Then we take the car with the pole. Then we take the mixer. We mix the concrete. Then we take the car with the wood. Now we just take two cars with passengers. So now we make the train. Are you ready for the train to ride? 1, 2, 3. So now it goes down of the hill. Go the wiggly rails. Now it's passing through one of these, and then it is passing the station. Now it goes to the hill. Do you think it will manage? You will see. So if you love my videos, then subscribe and take the like and don't forget to take the bell. Goodbye.